how to change raw photo to JPEG on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your raw photo to JPEG on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, simply head over and locate any image. For example, this is the image that we wish to convert. So if you just directly convert it into JPEG, it will lose pixels. So what you're going to do is click on the share icon here at the bottom left. You'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you're going to do is simply save it to files. Click on save to files, and then you're going to simply choose the folder where you wish to save. Let's say we're going to save it on my iPhone and click on save. After that, you're going to head over to my files and then simply locate that image. So this is the image that we just saved. So what you're going to do is long press on it, and then you're going to click on quick actions. You'll be able to see a couple of options. You're going to click on convert image, and then simply select JPEG, PNG, or HEIF, and whichever you wish to convert. So in our case, we wish to convert in JPEG, so I'm going to click on JPEG, and then you're going to select the image size. Let's say I'm going to click on medium, and after that, you'll be able to see that the image has been converted to JPEG, and now this is the new image. So that is basically how you can change your raw photo to JPEG on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.